Once you have your tracking numbers and your destinations added, the final step would be to set up the call flows. Call flows are where you want the tracking numbers to route calls to. So in this section, you can find your tracking numbers and the friendly name you've given them, and then you have a list here with the destinations you've added. So in the most simple scenario, you might want the two tracking numbers to route calls to your client's phone number. You can select from the drop-down list and click on Save. Anybody calling this tracking number or this tracking number will connect to your client's phone number. Now, in certain cases, you might want one of your tracking numbers to route to a different number. So here you can select it from the list, the destination of your choice, and click on Save. In certain scenarios and as part of the marketing plans, you can also configure what we call advanced call flows, which is located here by pressing this button. This gives you the ability to configure more advanced settings on your call flows. For instance, if you want to have, let's say, different schedule for the weekdays, different schedule for Saturday, different schedule for Sunday. So by selecting these boxes here, you can actually configure where calls will be routed to based on your selection here. Furthermore, you can also split the time frames. So for instance, on Sunday between 12 at night and 12 at noon, I might want the calls to be routed to my client's phone number. But if I go here from 12 noon to 12 at night, I might want the calls to be routed to my client's second number. Furthermore, if you want, there are some different routing types, meaning that you can have a multi-line call flow. So each time somebody places a call on one of your tracking numbers, both of these numbers will ring simultaneously, and whoever picks up the call first is actually going to handle the call. The second option is a priority call flow, which you can select how many seconds you want the phone number to ring. If this phone number doesn't answer the phone in 30 seconds, then automatically the call will be routed to the second destination. And again, you can set up the ringing duration. The ringing duration can be any value from 10 seconds to whatever you want and whatever suits your needs. The final option would be the weighted option, meaning if you have a tracking number and you want to split calls to more than one destinations, you can have 3 or 4, clients that you want to distribute the calls to. So here what you would want to do is set up the weight. The weight means how the percentage of the calls you want to be routed to this tracking number. So if you have 2 clients and you have 1 tracking number, then you can say that I want half of the calls to go to the first destination and half of the calls to go to the second destination. Once you're ready with the advanced call flows, you can click outside this box, click on Save, and this will save your advanced configuration.